Hey, I had a little mistake in the last video. I actually had this transformer not hooked up right. This is what I thought I had, but it turns out what I actually had was this. So there's a shunt across 2 and 3 legs on that, and you can see, I don't know if you can read it that way or not, but for 240 volts, 2 and 3 are shunted here, and you're supposed to go across, if you see that real close, you're supposed to go across 1 and 4, which are the outer two, but I was actually going across 3 and 4, so I think it was only getting half of the 240 volt size, so 120 volts, and before I was seeing, charging the capacitor 3 volts approximately, and now at this point I've effectively doubled it. And what that means is the ringing is still happening, luckily, because I thought it wasn't for a minute there, but the same thing happens, except that 500 volts that I was used to be getting, I wrote that backwards, the 500 volts that I used to be getting in this configuration, is now off the freaking scale. So the meter goes up to 600, and I'm going to short it. Wait a minute. So there it goes, off the scale. And I don't know if you can hear this. Let me put this on here. You can actually hear the transformer humming, which is the ringing, and that goes away when I arc that reactance capacitor. So here we look at off the chart instantly. So I think it's upwards of 1,000 volts or more. Much better. With the gap arcing, same as before, voltage climbs up to 500 this time. But it stays at 500. Before it only stayed at like 200 until the gap breaks up, and then the ringing starts happening. So I will discharge the reactor. I don't know if you can hear it or not now, but the humming stopped. When I can arc this, I take it back down, and when I arc the gap again, we hear the humming come back. So you can tell that the ringing is returned. So as soon as that capacitor is shorted, the ringing that's going on here stops. Well, now we're in this configuration, so the ringing that's going on here stops. The only difference is I think I got double the voltage now output from here, which is even better. Because now it's upwards of 1,000 volts. I can discharge it over and over and over again. I can keep arcing it, the ringing stops while it's arced. And then it comes back once I open it back up. Now discharge this, and the ringing stopped. You can't hear it no more until I arc it again. Pretty crazy, huh?